Hey, I'm Todd from RequestMetrics. I'm going to show you how to go about installing our agent into your website or web application so you can get started. The first thing we're going to look at is how to install our HTML snippet into your website. This is one of the fastest and easiest ways to get started because it's very minimal code changes. You just copy and paste our script tag into your existing page. Here, I have the source code for requestmetrics.com, our public website. It's a Jekyll site hosted on GitHub Pages, but this process would be very similar in whatever content management system or web application structure you use. Here I have a layout. This could be like a template, this might be what it's called in your framework or whatever, that describes here's how all of our pages are structured. And this is the right way to go about installing the agent. You want to put it in a common place so that it gets rendered on every single page of your website. For us, there's this common thing called head.html, which includes the head tag of the page. And that's probably where you want to put it. So here at the end of the head, you would go ahead and place the script tag that you see on the installation medium. That's just a source pointing at our CDN and a token to whatever you want it, whatever token your account is. You would save this and deploy it so that end users are actually seeing this and data will start flowing in. If you don't want to put the script tag in the head or that's not the pattern that you follow, you can put this anywhere in the markup. For example, in our actual website, we put everything right at the bottom, all the way at the end of body. And so we could paste it in there instead. Whatever makes sense for your application. Just having this script tag so that it's on every page is enough and data will start coming in. If you have a more complicated web page, web application might be rendered with Angular or React or Vue or whatever, you'll want to go down the path of installing our NPM package, our Node Package Manager. This will allow you to control exactly which version of the code and bundle it with your other application code so that extra requests are not being made. In order to do that, here I have a little app that I've built, a little toy for something else using React. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to install the browser agent using npm install at request-metrics / browser agent. Should pull down the latest. Right now it's at 171. I imagine you watching this, it's going to be some newer version than that. Once that's down, we're going to actually install it in our application. You want to do it as early as possible in the initialization flow. So either in the main index where you declare your application or during application setup. I'm going to put it here during application setup. We just paste in the snippet of code that you should see on the installation page. It should look something like this, where we are importing an object with RM in it from this package, RequestMetrics Browser Agent, that we just installed. And then we just call rm.install with our token. If you're interested, there are other configuration options available if you look in our documentation, but this is enough to get started. It will automatically start up before your application does and do all the instrumentation it needs to do. So go ahead and bundle this thing up, deploy it, either run it locally or into a dev or production environment so that users are getting this and data will start flowing in. If both of those options seem too hard and you're not willing to commit to making code changes yet, but you still want to see what RequestMetrics can do, we also have a Chrome extension that you can use. Installing the Chrome extension into your browser will allow you to dynamically inject the agent into every site you visit. Simply add your token in here or just visit the configuration page and we can automatically configure it from there. So for the sake of argument, I'm just going to paste in our token from our main account, and then it's going to start monitoring. As I browse around the internet now, say to Amazon.com or example.com or NewYorkTimes.com or wherever I want to go, the RequestMetrics agent is automatically being injected and capturing the performance, API calls, security calls, and analytics from all of these pages. So that's an easy way for you to start seeing the data and explore what RequestMetrics can do for you. If you have more questions or you want to talk about other ways you could install the agent, please get in touch with us. You can hit us at hello@requestmetrics.com. You'll come to me and the whole team here. We're happy to answer your questions. Good luck.